Welcome to our latest video, where we celebrate a monumental milestone, 25 years of Autodesk Inventor. A quarter of a century of designing and making anything and everything. This release brings to the table over 142 enhancements, each carefully crafted to improve user experience, enhance functionality, and streamline design processes. But that's not all. We've also tackled over 1,330 bug fixes, demonstrating our commitment to reliability and performance. Throughout this release, we've really hammered on the fact that Inventor should be the most polished engineering and design tool on the market. Behind the scenes, we're a freight train of motivation to further increase performance of Inventor from every aspect and workflow. So sit back and check out some of our favorites in this video. And don't forget to comment on what you want us to tackle next. Inventor 2025 introduces a modernized interface for designing sheet metal components, making the process more intuitive and efficient than ever before. This latest release boasts a sleek, user-friendly UI that streamlines the design workflows by placing tools in a logical order and making previously hard-to-find features readily accessible. A standout feature is the enhanced capability for direct manipulation and visualization of flanges, a pivotal element in sheet metal design. This allows designers to make on-the-fly adjustments with unprecedented ease, viewing changes in real time, and applying commonly used presets to streamline your design process. This level of interactivity and control is a substantial leap forward, providing a more dynamic and responsive interface. The series of technical advancements we've added further edge out Inventor's new sheet metal capabilities over previous versions. An advanced profile detection method brings about a new level of accuracy and efficiency in recognizing and working with diverse profiles, mitigating the need for time-consuming manual corrections. We also improved the experience for creating multiple flange end sets within a single feature, eliminating the need to repetitively exit and re-enter the dialog box. The integration of face and flange features into the property panel offers a more organized and accessible platform for managing these critical components. These upgrades collectively enhance the software's usability, it reduces your design time, and increase overall productivity for professionals working with sheet metal components. Plenty of these updates come directly to us thanks to our active community within the internal feedback community, public Inventor forums, and idea forums. So a thank you from us at Autodesk for helping us prioritize and implement your requests, big and small. It really is incredibly welcomed and appreciated. Now, into the drawing and annotation capabilities. We've updated these standards and functionalities throughout Inventor, while also remaining compliant with the constantly evolving global standards. There's a plethora of just do it enhancements to optimize drawings, documentations, and annotations alone. Starting with a heavy hitter is the ability to insert item numbers into drawing text. This new functionality enables dynamic updates to text that are linked to the parts list, as well as to balloons and notes within drawings, ensuring that your documentation remains consistent and accurate throughout your design process. A key component of this update is the addition of a new property type named Parts List Properties within the Format Text dialog. This means that when you're annotating drawings, you now have the ability to reference values directly from the parts list associated within the drawing. Inventor now supports background fill colors for dimensions in 2D drawings, providing a way to mask the area behind the dimension text for enhanced readability. This feature, which can be toggled on or off within the dimensions edit box, addresses the challenges faced when working with shaded views that limit the visibility of dimensions over complex backgrounds. This one is a much needed update to the parts list style, with new sorting options, including auto sort on update. Users can now directly adjust sorting preferences and the auto update feature within their drawing styles. We've updated the revision table style to include an option for setting default revision index settings. Now, you can specify whether the revision index should follow an alpha or numeric format by default. You're now able to hide extension lines of diameter and radius dimensions, enhancing clarity of your drawings. The option to hide extension lines and show all extension lines have been added to the context menu. Inventor 2025 continues to build on the momentum of the 2024 updates by introducing several significant enhancements to part modeling capabilities, particularly in the Finish feature functionality. Finish feature simplifies the integration of manufacturing process information into models. Adjustments to features can now be made directly in Express mode for a faster, more efficient workflow. The update also improves iAssembly member synchronization, boosting assembly management consistency. Additional improvements include the introduction of selection filters and toggles for managing finish parameters. The addition of the eyedropper tool now streamlines the application of finish attributes, enabling a quick pick up and apply workflow. We also have new include and exclude buttons, along with body and face filters, to aid in user selection. Support for including these selections in derived operations, such as make part and make component, has been added, along with the ability to disable parameter controls to prevent unwanted parameter generation. You can also now quickly access the XML library folder for administrative adjustments and modifications. We've enhanced our hole creation capabilities in Inventor by incorporating the ISO 15786 standard, which includes a new drill point operation such as flat W, angle V, and angle Y. This allows users to design holes that are in strict compliance with this international standard, highlighting our dedication to aligning with the latest industry standards and serving the dynamic needs of the design community. Additionally, we provide users with the flexibility to modify and create custom holes tailored to specific machinery or tooling requirements, ensuring adaptability to a wide range of design scenarios. Furthermore, 2D hole nodes have been updated to reflect these new hole types. The pattern creation process in Inventor has been modernized with the introduction of boundary patterns, featuring a refreshed user interface. This update enables users to generate patterns confined within specific boundaries, allowing for the definition of a region or an area to delineate where the pattern should apply. Any instances of the pattern extending beyond these boundaries are automatically suppressed, ensuring the inclusion of only pertinent instances. This boundary-driven patterning capability has also been extended into the Sketch environment. Let's look at the modeling improvements we've made to assembly modeling, including some much-needed graphical updates, like highlighting the hidden sections of components. Inventor has enhanced its bolted connection functionality to now support assembly feature patterns, broadening the scope of design capabilities for users. This update allows for both normal assembly feature patterns and those within weldments to be utilized for bolted connections. It now accommodates all types of assembly patterns, including rectangular and circular, and the update ensures the compatibility with both bi-hole and concentric placement methods, aligning with the functionality seen in part feature patterns, thereby maintaining a consistency and user experience across the different workspaces. A cylindrical envelope option has been added to create the newly appointed oriented minimum bounding cylinder. This new feature allows for more precise model simplification by fitting a cylindrical envelope around components, offering an alternative to the traditional rectangular prism. This enhancement is particularly beneficial for models requiring tighter tolerances, as it closely aligns with the original model's shape and size. We've enhanced our visualization capabilities with the introduction of a new separate color scene display. This can be toggled to various settings and also customized via the color scheme editor of any given in-canvas color scheme. Being a single designer in a 5,000 part assembly can sometimes feel as daunting as being in a 100,000 part assembly. So we've added the ability to toggle colors from a view, tab, or separate top-level assemblies, and then differentiate them between different types of components, significantly improving the clarity of these intricate assemblies. This tool is also compatible with section views and is directly related to efficient management and comprehension of your increasingly complex designs. In this section, we'll explore the advancements in interoperability within the Autodesk ecosystem, focusing on enhanced compatibility and seamless integration with other programs to facilitate smoother and more efficient workflows. Conveniently export RVT or RFA files to earlier versions of Revit as far back as 2023. This backward compatibility feature ensures smooth interoperability between different software versions and collaborative efforts within the design teams. You can also launch a specific version of Install directly from the dialog within Inventor. This release of Inventor allows users to seamlessly import IFC files from Revit using any CAD technology. This feature ensures all the associated metadata is brought into Inventor without data loss. This offers a much more logical workflow between architectural and engineering domains, which for many of you is incredibly impactful. Additionally, new import options have been introduced, allowing users to choose between two options: importing lightweight mesh versions for visualization, or an extensive view of individual components and properties for detailed analysis. The new interactive UI has been implemented, featuring an in-canvas preview that enables users to include or exclude selections based on metadata, name, or geometry. Let's keep breaking down industry silos and use the right tools, no matter the given challenge. In this release of Inventor, we've emphasized our commitment to making it the premier tool for engineering and design. This release brings a series of features and functionality that streamline your design process, improve your user experience, and promote interoperability, ensuring that you're equipped with the most advanced tools that work exactly how you expect them to. Check out the blog post for additional details on all of these updates and more for Inventor 2025.